everybody, Andrew with Suds to Success podcast, doing a quick video. We're gonna start doing these short form videos, kind of go in depth on topics we talk about in episodes. This is gonna be a great sales tool that we use in my business, and that's gonna be a price list. This is not something you get to a customer. What it's for is when you walk out to their car, you have all your information right here. I then can give all this information to a customer. The thing that it does that you don't really expect it to is this. When they look at this price list, simple spreadsheet, literally on Word or Google Docs, and it just literally has pricing on the back. It has tinting and all the different tint values. What it does is when I have this out, super simple, laminated, so it doesn't look like they're gonna take this, is they'll upsell themselves of all the pricing. Like, oh, okay, a 5-year strength's this. Like, oh, the 7 years only 300 more? Yeah, let's just do that. So if they were originally talking to you about a 5-year, now you got an extra $300 just because you have this in your hand. The other thing is it keeps you very prepared when you're on the phone doing your sales call, that if you forget a price or lapses your mind or whatever, you can easily go boom, 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 it's right here. Next, for tinting, if you're doing any tinting, you can have all your different stats here for each individual film that you get from your manufacturer. So when they call and they say, oh, you know, I've had people say, what's the TSER for 20% carbon film? I'm not gonna remember, but now I can literally just go, 56.50. So it's nice and easy. So big tip, make a price list for yourself. Could you have one to give out? Sure. I find this is a great sales tool you can give you and your staff. You're gonna make a lot more money, super cheap, super easy, costs maybe $3 for lamination. I like the lamination because you don't have to keep it, it looks more official when you hold it in your hand. Any questions, reach out to us on the website. We'll talk soon.